Today, we will learn about some important seaports from India. India spans about 7,516.6 kilometers of coastline. We have 12 major ports in India, beside 200 other ports. Kandala Seaport. It is also known as Dindal Seaport.
During 2015-16, Kandla port in Gujarat breached the 100 million traffic landmark and displayed 20% improvement in efficiency. We particularly want to modernize our ports and integrate them with special economic zones, port-based smart cities, industrial parks, warehouses, logistic parks, cold storages, and transport corridors. I must mention that our vast coastline of 7,500 kilometers offers a huge investment opportunity.
Jawaharlal Nehru Port, earlier known as Nhava Sheva Port. JNPT, also known as Nhava Sheva Port. It is the longest container port in India, located east of Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mormugao Seaport. Goa is a beautiful place and the main tourist attraction in India, and hence the need for a port to make Goa flourish more through its trading affairs. Chairman of Mormugao Port is Sri L. Jaykumar. Cochin Seaport in Kerala. A major port on the Arabian Sea, the Cochin Port is one of the largest seaport in India and also the fastest growing one situated in Kerala. The Cochin Port lies in between two islands, namely Wellington and Vallapadam. Chennai Seaport in Tamil Nadu. The Chennai Port, also known as the Madras Port, is the second largest port in the whole of India. It is the third oldest port in India that started its operations in 1881. Chennai has two more seaports, is Ennore Seaport, New Tuticorin Seaport, also known as Chidambaram Port, Visakhapatnam Port in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam Port, located in east of India in Andhra Pradesh between Chennai and Kolkata Port. The Visakhapatnam Port is situated in a beautiful creek. It is one of the significant 12 seaports in India. Paradip Seaport. The Paradip port is one among the deepwater seaports in India that are situated on the coast of Odisha. The depth of the port allows it to handle heavy and bulk containers. This port mainly deals with iron ore and coal. Iron ore is exported to Japan in vast quantities. Kolkata Port, the oldest port that was made by the East India Company. The Kolkata port is situated 128 km from Bay of Bengal on the bank of the river Hooghly. This port handles all the goods coming mainly from Australia and Southeast Asia countries. It is also known as the gateway of Eastern India. The Kolkata port is the only port having two dock system called Kolkata Docks and Haldia Docks. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.